Shallow, ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Come southwest fast. Southwest.
Kamlan.
Try the call. Don't panic, don't panic. Keep walking.
Nice.
Press up. Demon at the back. Cool down. Demon at the back. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking, my boys. Keep walking. Don't dismount.
Ready.
Keep walking still. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking count inside run. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Come southwest. Pull. Pass, guys. Pass. Potion there. Keep walking south. Hills up. Keep walking south. Hills up. Keep walking. Go to the bridge.
Northwest.
Northwest. Gala inside. Catch the gala. Wait the cleric. Upper cleric. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kill him. Nice. And then northeast. Cool down. Hold.
Long.
Keep walking northwest. Keep walking northeast. Cool down. Keep walking northeast.
Ready.
Keep walking. Inside ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. That's it. Northeast again. Brawlers inside. Ready that. Gala inside. Defend. Demons, cool down.
Long.
East side. Southeast.
Hold southeast. Northwest shallow right in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Not shallow. Massive, my boys. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Hills up. Hill. Keep walking southwest. Keep walking southwest. Hold. Keep walking. Now kite. Keep walking. Inside ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Come southwest. Southeast to the water bridge.
Nice beginning.
Southeast. My boy, southeast. Dito. Southeast. Hello.
East
What the
in.
fuck? Southeast. Keep walking southeast.
Southeast to the beach again.
Keep walking. Press up.
Did you use the choke, huh?
Press up. I'm gonna jump to the. Press up. And then north. Go north. Inside. Ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Northeast pass. Northeast.
The main caller died.
Northeast. East now.
They're still fighting.
Cool down.
Ready.
Upper cleric. Hold. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count. Nice one. Hold. Northwest. Kite. Keep walking. Cool down. Hold. I'm gonna make a fake. Baking. Hold. Northwest now. Keep walking. Walk now. Keep walking. Northwest now. Northwest. Keep walking lang. West now. West. Come west. Dali. West. Oh, then hold. I'm gonna make a fake. Faking. Hold mo na. Hold. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count. Papatay. Come west. Defend. Come west. Keep walking. Southwest now. Defend. Ready, Dimos. KW inside the view. Come southwest now. Walk southwest now.
Gala, careful.
Look at the crown. North. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North now. Nice. Yes, boys. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Find the crown. I'm here, boys. At the middle, boys. Hold. Come to me. QW this guy. He's fire. QW. Kill him. He's fire. Promise, sir.
Ready.
Kill him. Count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Count. Kill him. Come. Keep walking northwest. Hills up. I'm gonna jump to the hills up. Northwest. Hills up. Gala inside. Wait, this cleric again. Defend. Oh, upper cleric again. What the fuck? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Upper cleric again. This guy, KW. Go, 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 go. Dep. Come here, press. Come here, press. Hold.
Yeah, the
We're gonna
matter.
farm them. Hold, southeast.
Kasi naman.
I'm gonna make a fake.
Yo, Mega, likod mo.
Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southeast now.
Nice! Let's
Get
go!
this guy. Upper cleric. Catch them.
Fucking yeah. Weirdo! Tang ina ng cheater kayo!
Oh yeah, north. I need help north. Help me north, niggas. Help me.
Keep pinging.
Oh.
Gago, ganda ng buwan na yun.
Yung castle lang dito tayo.
7.3 gala on ping. Follow water.
Catch.
Ang ina nung cheater kayo. Low FF. Ang ina nyo.
Ibo natin yung first fight, ha?
Asan yung gala?
Guys, very important.
Asan yung gala? Saan gala? Ping. Keep pinging. Kakatap ko yan. Tang ina niyan. Asan yan? Asan gala?
Nawala yung
Oh,
gala.
keep pinging. Asan? Ayun. Ay boy, naka-mount up ba?
Baka no? Ay, wala pala. Nag-dungeon.
Ano? Mounted pala?
Kawawa sila
Eh,
doon.
round 2, tangina nila.
Wala,
Buti natin ano nila.
Ang dami natin demon. Kawawa sila. Legit.
Namatay ko, solo demon ko, yawa.
Salarigo.
Ang ina nyo, nakaka-press kayo. Fuck you. Very good. Baning.
Bawi ba yung deaths kanina?
Bawing.
Naka 70 sila.
Nice one.
So, 7-3.
Basta yung first fight, boys, alam, ano na yun. Mahirap yun na ano. Ewan ko ba? Basta, hindi ko kaya yun na mahirap.
Kaya
Ano lang
naman.
talaga, like, gising lahat yung ano eh. Gising lang talaga lahat eh.
Grabe yung
And then nagsabi ako na,
trabaho.
and then yung nag-looking sa atin, may nag-hammer pa doon sa southwest. Diyos ko po, position na dapat yun eh.
Gagaling ng healer. Ilan namatay? Unti lang? Wala.
Tamid lang. Sumid lang.
Di ba? Ang gagaling. Magagaling healer ngayon. Magagaling.
Carving pa juga ba? Bala kabi ako, Birch. Yawa. Carving pag namatay piste. Yawa ba naman? After cleric na po.
W sa ano. Beginning W. Nice one. Beginning. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Beginning. Let's go. Pakikisali ako ng split Malaki split nyo ngayon.
Bading.
Pero maliit. Ilan ba yan sila?
How many kill?
2DA.
Not ano. Ang tawag doon?
Not.
Sila yung ano eh. Sila yung maliit eh. Not
Langin.
Pero T11, T10.
Geared naman tayo.
Hindi.
So outgeared.
Mas masarap kasi pag tayo yung outnumbered eh.
Sabi sa akin, nag-chat ako dun sa GM, sabi ko R2, sabi niya, nah.
Banklots guys, ispit natin yung ano, irigan natin yung namatay kanina.
Siyempre, ayaw ng R2 kasi namatay gala nila.
Dali, bank.
Titigasan mo ko gago eh.
Screenshot ko tong party Screenshot party 2. Saan ba i-post yung ano? Dot split, Boss Gerald? Sa gear section pa rin?
Oh, dun sa ano. Hindi. Si Tofu na pa-manage mo. Siya lagi nag-ano yun eh.
Wag, kawawa yung bata.
Kawawa yung bata.
Lagay na lang ko lot split
Post
muna,
namin
temporary.
May magdidipo.
Nagagawa ko channel, boss, na ano, lot split. Temporary lang.
Dapat may permanent tayo ng split channel, bro. Honestly.
Yeah. So,
Make one.
yung party niya, screenshot dito wait lang. Ano ba ngayon? 6:14. Probabilities.
Guys, put in the polots now, niggas.
Wait,
Put in the
yeah.
polots.
Ito. Check ano. Yung party to, screenshot nyo dali. Sa ano, yun na pin ko na lot split channel. And then saan ba yun, Depot loot? 7 mil lang? No way, 7 mil lang.
Okay,
Let me check
beginning.
loot- Let me check loot logs.
Beginning drop already?
Paano split yan? 7 mil.
Hindi na ako sasali sa split loads.
Sige, lads. And then yung namatay, ano?
17 mil. What do you mean?
Wait
17
lang,
yun-
naglulot pa yung iba eh. Nagdadrop
And then,
pa eh.
guys, ito. Yung namatay kanina, lagay kayo na, like, amount, magkano yung set nyo kanina. I-compensate natin through, through loots. Dali. Lagay kayo. Sa akin, Megatron
I
2M.
have the same loot. 1.8.